The Dell Latitude 3550 is a remarkable leap forward in the world of business-class laptops, and it's clearly designed with professionals in mind. As part of Dell's Latitude 3000 family, this machine combines power, reliability, and modern efficiency in a sleek 15.6-inch form factor. Whether you're a remote worker, a creative professional, or someone who simply needs a responsive and future-ready laptop, the Latitude 3550 delivers in ways that genuinely impress. At the heart of this laptop is the Intel Core Ultra 7 155U processor, a 12-core chip that stands as a true evolution in CPU performance. This processor includes 2 performance cores, 8 efficiency cores, and 2 low-power efficiency cores, creating a powerful yet balanced architecture. With a max turbo speed of up to 4.8 GHz, multitasking becomes effortless. From managing spreadsheets and video conferencing to compiling code or editing high-res images, the system handles everything with smooth responsiveness and quiet operation. It's worth noting that this chip outperforms the previous i7-1355U, so you're getting the best of Intel's latest generation. What really sets this machine apart from its competitors is its monstrous 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. This is next-gen memory, running faster and more efficiently than DDR4, which means better multitasking and future-proofing for years to come. Whether you're opening dozens of browser tabs, working in complex Adobe software, or juggling multiple virtual desktops, the laptop barely breaks a sweat. Paired with the massive 2TB PCIe NVMe SSD, boot times are nearly instant, and file transfers are blazing fast. You'll never feel like you're waiting on the system. The Latitude 3550 keeps up with your pace, and then some. The 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare display is sharp and bright, offering a 1920 by 1080 resolution. While it's not a touchscreen, the clarity and color reproduction make it ideal for both work and entertainment. Whether you're presenting data or streaming video after hours, the screen delivers crisp visuals without eye strain, thanks to its 250 nit brightness and matte finish. In terms of connectivity, Dell has absolutely nailed it with the inclusion of USB 4 Gen 2 Type-C, supporting both power delivery and DisplayPort, along with multiple USB 3.2 ports, HDMI 1.4, Ethernet, and a universal audio jack. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, you're ensured blazing fast wireless performance, stable video calls, and seamless device pairing. Whether you're in a coffee shop or at your desk, your connection remains solid. Another notable highlight is the thoughtful user experience. The backlit keyboard is comfortable and responsive, featuring a full numeric keypad and dedicated AI hotkeys. The fingerprint reader, integrated right into the power button and tied to Dell's Control Vault 3 security system, makes logins secure and instant. For professionals managing sensitive information, this is a serious upgrade in both convenience and data protection. Running Windows 11 Pro, the Latitude 3550 provides a modern and productivity-focused operating system. From better window management to enhanced security and AI-driven features, Windows 11 Pro is a great fit for business users and tech enthusiasts alike. The laptop also comes bundled with a mouse and essential accessories, so you're ready to work right out of the box. Finally, Dell includes HD audio and AI accelerators integrated into the system, ensuring that not only does your work sound good, whether on video calls or during editing, but the machine also optimizes workloads intelligently, thanks to Intel's onboard AI Boost technology. This is especially beneficial for creatives and developers using AI tools, automation, or smart editing features. In conclusion, the Dell Latitude 3550 is a powerhouse of a laptop. It doesn't just meet the needs of today's professionals, it anticipates tomorrow's demands. With a top-tier processor, jaw-dropping RAM and storage, fast wireless options, and smart usability features, it's a complete package. If you're investing in a machine that can carry you through years of work, creativity, and seamless computing, the Latitude 3550 is absolutely worth it.